In the previous video, we looked at the Vibe99 from MechLands. If you haven't watched it yet, you can check the link to the video in the top right corner or in the description box below. Next up, we've got the Blade75. As the name suggests, it's a 75% layout, which means it's even more compact than the Vibe99. Let's unbox it and take a look. The box feels quite heavy already. The design is really impressive. I'm not sure what this cartoon character is, but it reminds me of a ninja. It looks cool, though a bit villainous too. That's really interesting. I'm curious about how the keyboard looks. I hope they didn't send me a black one because the box says black and we can't see the keyboard on the box. I'm really excited to open it. If we compare it to other big brands in the mechanical keyboard world, I think MechLands has already done a great job, from the packaging to the design, materials, and overall quality of their products. And this is impressive, especially since they are a relatively new brand in the market. Honestly, I think you should give them a try. Okay, we've got another blue one, and I'm quite happy with it. It fits my aesthetic setup perfectly. I can switch my keyboards around to change the theme. If you're looking for inspiration for your desk or workspace, you can check out my Instagram. I'll be posting photos of my desk and sharing tips there. Just a quick reminder, MechLands is offering a 20% discount on the Blade75 on Amazon, so check it out now. Now let's take a closer look at the Blade75. The first thing I noticed is the build quality. The case feels solid with no flex or creaking. It weighs around 1.64 kg and is made of aluminum with a spray painted finish, giving it a premium feel. It also features a mirrored back, which adds a touch of luxury. Look at the color, it's so aesthetic and adorable. These are my favorite colors. I love how they've combined blue, lilac, and white. The Blade75 comes with MechLands Verdant switches, which are smooth and responsive. The keycaps are double-shot PBT, so they're durable and won't fade over time. The legends are clear and the font is modern but not too flashy. It's quite clacky rather than thuggy. The typing experience is fantastic. The switches are stable and there's no wobble in the keycaps. Just like the Vibe99, the Blade75 also has hot-swappable switches and beautiful RGB lighting. You can program the lighting to create some wild effects or keep it subtle. It's totally up to you. The Blade75 wireless gaming keyboard is designed for flexibility, offering 3 connection modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Type-C wired. Whether you're gaming, working, or browsing, it provides easy and stable connections. Now let's take a closer look at the layers under the keyboard. Well, this one is difficult to open. I'm trying not to break or damage it. It's great to have a customizable keyboard, but as an amateur, I've accidentally broken a few in the past. I've learned a lot from my mistakes, and you don't want to make the same ones I did. The keyboard has gasket mounted structure. If you're not sure what gasket mounting is, it's the design where the keyboard's blade is held between layers of foam or silicone using gaskets. This helps reduce hard contact between the blade and the case, making typing feel softer and more cushioned. When you press down the keys, you can really feel the difference. It's not stiff or harsh, it's smooth and slightly bouncy, which makes typing for long periods much more comfortable. This is a big win for anyone who spends hours at the desk, whether you're working or gaming. The Blade75 uses a multi-layer foam design to enhance the sound and feel. There's a silicone dampening layer that absorbs vibrations and creates a deeper, more consistent sound. There's also a blade foam to further reduce ping and make the typing experience even smoother. Additionally, there's a thin case foam and something like a board at the bottom to reduce space and eliminate hollow sounds. I'm going to remove the board and replace it with cotton. Oh, these are my makeup cotton pads. I'm not sure if it will help with the sound, but I want to try it. I've seen some people using sand to fill the bottom, which sounded crazy to me at first, but it actually produced amazing results. I think cotton pads aren't something new either. I'll also be changing the foam with a thicker one to make the sound deeper, and I hope it sounds creamier. Yes, I'm obsessed with this creamy sound. I'll also be adding one layer of tape to the back of the PCB. This will help absorb vibrations and reduce any hollow or bingy noises across the entire keyboard. Now let's test this out again. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching my video today, and I'll see you in the next one.